Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. As you can see behind me, we got the old Dirty Max. We're washing it up. Wanted to bring you guys a product review of Adams Polishes Iron Remover. So I am getting the surface prepped and ready to do something. More than likely you guys are going to see that video before this one, so you'll know why. But we're getting the surface of the paint prepped and ready to go ahead and apply. We're basically detailing it. We're applying a chemical on it as well for paint protection, and all that'll be in another video. This is used to get the paint ready. So like I said, this is the Adams Polishes Iron Remover. I'm going to go ahead and read the Adams Iron Remover on here talking about it. It says, Adams Iron Remover is a deep cleaning formula that specifically targets and safely removes iron and metallic particles in your vehicle's painted surface. Easily eliminate those annoying little orange brake dust dots that show up on silver, white, and other light colored vehicles. Safe on clear coats and single stage paint. Ready to use, no diluting necessary. Dissolves iron particles embedded into painted surfaces. Changes color to purple as it works. Great for deep clean, prep before claying or polishing the surface. So we are going to be using this before claying the surface. We're going to go ahead and read their instructions. It says wash the vehicle following our 2-bucket wash method with optional foam cannon or gun setup. 2. Rinse and move the vehicle into the shade if possible. Ensure that the vehicle surface is cool to the touch. We are inside, we don't have to worry about that. Spray the painted surface liberally with Adams Iron Remover. Cleaner will begin to change to a purple color after 1 to 5 minutes. Do not let product dry onto any surface. That's in all capital letters, so we will not let it dry. Rinse entire surface very thoroughly with a strong stream of water from the hose or a pressure washer. We're going to be using a hose. Continue the detailing process by drying, claying, polishing, etc. So we're going to be reviewing the Adams Polishes Iron Remover. I don't really see any little spots, but it's a white vehicle, so turning purple. It should be really interesting. I have not clayed this vehicle in an extremely long time, so we're going to be doing the iron remover and then claying the vehicle after we do this. But let's go ahead. I'm going to go over the whole vehicle, spraying it down, and then I'll grab you guys and we will check out and see if there's any iron on it and how much there is, how it's working, rinse it off, and my thoughts on it. So let's go ahead and get into that. So I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to spray the hood and the front fender. I'll shut the camera off, I'll spray the rest of the vehicle down, and then I will grab you guys and we'll come back and see where we're at with the iron remover. So it is literally that simple and that easy to spray it on. You don't want to watch me spray the whole vehicle. I'm going to shut this off, get the whole vehicle sprayed down, and we'll take a look. All right, so this product is wanting to start to dry. Trying to show you guys. Not as much iron as I thought would have been on my pickup, but there is definitely some good amounts. You can see these purple streaks. One right there. This back passenger door has quite a few on it. Nothing super huge or major. We do have some around the fuel cap. There's one at the top of the bed there. The tailgate has a decent amount, but they're not, like I said, they're not real thick or horrible or bad. You can see there's quite a few there. That one is huge. It is attacking it like crazy, so it's definitely doing a good job getting rid of it. We have some more on the side of the bed on the passenger side. Just giving you guys a quick overview. Back passenger doors on driver's side and the passenger side, as you can see, has quite a bit, but the closer you get, I guess this passenger door does too. I mean, it's nothing super crazy. It is eating it, it is doing its job. Front fenders, hood, nothing that I can really see. There's no purple streaks, but it's definitely doing its job. The roof is the same as the fenders, but definitely from your wheels and your brakes there is on the doors. It's definitely doing its job. So I'm going to set you guys up and get this thing rinsed off. I'll show you just a little bit of rinsing it off. I'll tell you how easy it was or how hard it was. Kind of got to get on it because it's wanting to dry on me. As you guys can see there, it is rinsing off fairly easy. Like I said, I'm gonna shut the camera down. You don't wanna watch me rinse the whole vehicle. I'm gonna get it rinsed off, get into my thoughts on it, and I'll let you know how the rinsing goes on the rest of it. All right, so we have now got it rinsed off. The stuff does rinse off. Personally, very easy. It wasn't hard to get it off. It is all off. As you can see in the bottle, I've used about half of it. This is a very large pickup. It's a 2500, 3/4 ton pickup, crew cab. So there is a lot of pickup to cover. We did cover all of it. And my thoughts on this, I've seen other reviews on iron removers and they talk about the smell being horrible. Personally, I think this smells better if you've ever used Adam's wheel cleaner, their original one, or any of those really horrible smelling wheel cleaners. It smells better than that. Definitely has an odor, not super pleasant, but it's not horrible. So you're gonna wanna use somewhere that it's a big area, a lot of ventilation. You wanna do it somewhere where it's not a small confined area. But personally, this product performs just as they say. I think it's a great product, a first step to clean your vehicle, getting all those big metal fallout, all that's embedded in your paint. It's a great first step to getting that out. It attacks it, it does very well. Those pieces I cannot see. I was messing around with the camera, couldn't see them on the camera as well. It does really, really well. So now moving on to cleaning the vehicle, I think will be a lot easier. So I'm giving this product 2 thumbs up, really like it. Smell is not super great, but it's not horrible. It does as they say, and it did a really great job removing that stuff. There wasn't a ton on my pickup. I was hoping there was gonna be a lot more, but there was quite a bit. Hopefully you guys were able to see that. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I really do like this product. I feel that it's going to make cleaning it a lot easier, and I'm thankful for that because sometimes cleaning a vehicle this big does take some time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the review of this Adams iron remover. I really enjoy this product and like this product. I will definitely say I will be using this before cleaning vehicles when I detail them. I am going to put it in my must-use products. It is a great product, and I can't say it enough. So definitely, if you're looking for something to remove iron in your vehicles, definitely consider picking this up. Great product, 2 thumbs up, like I said. I really appreciate you all stopping in and checking out the video. Leave in the comments below what you thought of this video. I will also leave a link for this in the video description down below if you guys want to go check it out. But I really appreciate all you guys stopping in, checking out the videos, and showing the support for the channel. It means the world to me. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for stopping in and checking this out, but I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.